Place cup-shaped interceptors under each bed leg to stop and detect bedbugs before they climb onto the bed. Bedbug interceptors are simple cup-shaped traps that capture crawling insects by providing a slick inner surface and a rough or sloped outer surface so bugs can climb up but cannot climb out. To make do-it-yourself, interceptors use rigid plastic cups with smooth interiors, or coat the inside with a thin layer of petroleum jelly or talc, and roughen the outside so bedbugs can approach the rim. Ensure the cup is at least 1 inch deep and wide enough to fully contain each bed leg base. Set one interceptor under each bed leg and confirm the bed frame sits squarely so legs do not touch the floor outside the cup. If legs have casters, replace them with stationary blocks that fit the cup. Move the bed at least 1 foot away from walls and do not let bedding hang to the floor to prevent bridging. Tuck sheets and skirts so bugs cannot climb from nearby furniture. Check interceptors at least once a week, emptying and recording captures so you can track trends and know when to escalate treatment. Combine interception with frequent washing of bedding in hot water and drying on high heat, and use a certified mattress encasement to deny bedbugs harborages. Common mistakes include leaving the bed too close to the wall or letting sheets touch the floor, which creates a bridge for bedbugs. Fix this by moving the bed away and tucking bedding. Another issue is using shallow or damaged cups that allow escapes. Replace cups with deeper containers and keep the inner surface slick. People forget to check interceptors regularly or to combine them with other measures, which limits effectiveness. Set a weekly reminder and pair interception with laundering and encasements. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to pest control and home projects. We also host an active discussion community where members share experiences, ask questions, and trade practical tips about devices like bedbug interceptors.